Hello everyone, my name is Angela. Welcome to Brainrot Team. My team has 7 members: Vicky, David, Tina, Daisy, Lisa, Anna and me. Today we will talk about how to make lemonade. We wash our hands carefully before making drinks. Cleanest and best product. If we don't wash our hands before making lemonade, the product will be dirty and affect the health of the drinker. We prepare tools and ingredients such as knife, stirring spoon, plastic cups, lemon, and sugar. Lemon can be yellow or green, but we choose green lemons because they are familiar. We clean the lemon with water. We cut the lemon. In half. Our next step involves extracting essence of the lemon. With a gentle yet firm hand, we carefully squeeze the lemon. We add some sugar to the drink. We add 2 spoons to squeeze the mix too. We add some ice cubes to make lemonade cooler and tastier. But don't add too much because it can cause cough and sore throat.
We test the lemonade. We share the drink with our friends. Thank you.
Amazing.
We cleaning the table and choose after making the drink.
Goodbye.